So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to select network and internet. And then once you're on here, if it says Wi-Fi for you, you want to click on it. Make sure that you have it turned on. If you only have Ethernet, it will just be saying Ethernet for you. But if it does say Wi-Fi here, you want to select it. Make sure that you have it turned on. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in find and fix problems with your network adapter. Click on it. And then once this comes up, click on next. Wait for this to load. You just want to go through all the steps here, see if that works for you. You could also head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And then you want to find network and internet. Click on run. See if that fixes your problem. And now for the last method, you want to head over to search again and type in network reset. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on reset now. And then click on yes. It's now going to restart your computer in 5 minutes. Or you could just restart it yourself. See if that works for you.